Fundamental movements are essential for all high school athletes. I mean, as a coach, you see every single day out in the practice field, many of our athletes having trouble moving around and getting injured as a result of it.
Making sure that they get it right and are performing the proper movements at a fundamental level is essential.
With the education from HSS, we've seen a cut down on injuries. We've seen more success on the field in terms of how the students are able to move around, and also the education that comes with it. The students are able to apply the education into their real life as well, where they're finding much more success.
I learned about soft landings when I'm jumping.
Having stability and landing perfectly can prevent you from having serious injuries.
My vision that HSS would continue to come into the school and to provide that education for our students, and then maybe even go beyond our student athletes.
Number one, it's free, and number two, the HSS brand is second to none. They offer so many free resources to our students, to our parents, to our coaches, and to our greater school community, and we couldn't be a happier partner.